Sad news for those of us that have over 10k subscribers and have been benefiting from the stories feature. I hope YouTube will be replacing it with something better, but watch this space. Starting on the 23rd of June 2023, the option to create a new story will no longer be available. Stories already live on 26th of June will expire 7 days after they were originally shared. So what is a story? Stories are short mobile only videos that allow you to connect with your audience more casually on the go. They expire after 7 days. Stories are in beta and available to channels with over 10k subscribers. It may take up to 7 days for stories to show up after reaching 10k subscribers. For you to get the actual feature on your channel, they're saying after you reach 10k subscribers, it may take a few more days after that before the actual feature shows up on your channel. Stories are similar to what you might see in your feeds on the short shelf. And they were an extra functionality for people that had over 10k subscribers. It was something that was extra and quite an incentive to get to 10k subscribers so you could get onto the stories short shelf. But for some reason they are taking it away, and I hope they will be replacing it with something better. But right now they haven't even said if they're going to be replacing it with something else. But I hope you found this video useful, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel, the notification bell turned on so you don't miss the next upload. Don't forget to check out my YouTube tips playlist